Question number 22. In this figure, 5 PSR, RTQ and PAQ are three semicircles of diameter 10 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 7 centimeter respectively. So we have to find the perimeter of the shaded region. Moving towards the solution. As we have given the diameter of semicircle PSR equals to 10 centimeter, so for getting radius we will divide it by 2, which is then we'll get the radius of semicircle PSR as 5 centimeter. Similarly, we'll get the radius of semicircle RTQ and PAQ as 1.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. We as we we are supposed to calculate perimeter of the shaded region, which is equal to the circumference of semicircle PSR plus circumference of semicircle RTQ plus circumference of semicircle PAQ. Then applying the formula, now we know that circumference of an entire circle is 2 pi r. So for getting the circumference of semicircle, we'll divide it by 2. So we have divide by 2 here also, in the first term also, like we can see this. In the first term also 2 pi r we have used, and we have divided by 2 for all the three terms. We did the same procedure, and putting the value of different of radius according as given in the question, we have put down the values of radius, and on solving further we get the perimeter of the shaded region as 31.4 centimeter.